What is going on, guys? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. And today, guys, we're going to talk about the overall cryptocurrency market. As we woke up today, everything is green. Bitcoin up almost 10% on the day. ETH up almost 13% on the day. Things are looking really, really good. Shiba Inu, our favorite, of course, up 6.2% on the day. Now, remember, I always like to preface by saying that I am not a financial advisor, but rather, I always try to put you guys on the plays that I'm in. So what we're going to talk about is why. Why are we seeing crypto do so well on this very day? Because really, overall, there isn't really any big news that brought all this volume into the space. But maybe people think that we potentially have found a bottom, and now they're scooping up their positions, getting ready for what we were anticipating from the beginning of 2021, and that was a bull run. So before I dive in, guys, into the article, I want to mention there's 2 links in the description below that I want you to consider clicking on. One for Moomoo, where you can get your 5 free stocks valued up to $17,500, literally for free whenever you fund your account. Any amount of money you put into your account, of course, helps the channel out because I get a referral bonus, and then it helps your pocket out because you get free money. And also, there's a link down there for I Trust Capital. Fund your retirement account. You get a $100 funding bonus as soon as you put money into your I Trust Capital account. As long as you guys sign up with your email, of course, that does give me a benefit. But I want to make sure you guys fund your account so you get that free $100 as well. I got my free 100, which is fantastic because I created an account where I'm putting my Shiba Inu tokens into it, some Bitcoin and Ethereum as well for the long-term hold. So here we go. CoinDesk. Bitcoin tops $40,000 for the first time in 2 weeks. The price dipped Friday after the U.S. jobs report came out for January, which weren't so hot, but reversed as traders grew more confident that the downside is limited. So if we dive in here, Bitcoin jumped to a 2-week high on Friday as crypto traders grew more confident that the market has stabilized following a recent slump, and some analysts flagged the possibility of a short squeeze. The Bitcoin price jumped over 8.9% in the past 24 hours to $40,200, as we just saw in CoinMarketCap, pushing past the key psychological threshold of 40K. We know that was a big resistance that we need to jump across. The largest cryptocurrency remains well off its all-time high around 69,000, which was back in December. Several attacks on the downside have not been successful anymore as the risk has been taken out, said Daniel Kukan, the senior trader at Crypto Finance. In addition, he says Kukan stated that his next target level is $42,000 to $43,000 Bitcoin. He sees the market support at $33,000 to $28,000 in the worst case scenario, which we have not even touched. On the intraday basis, Bitcoin has pierced above the top of its week-long price range after holding support above $35,000 to $37,000 zone. Now, the U.S. job report. This is the one thing that we were looking forward to on February 4th. I mentioned it to the Patreon group when we were talking on Sunday, and prior to that, we've been discussing it a little bit on the channel. So, of course, the U.S. Labor Department reported unexpected strong jobs growth in January, along with upward revisions to figures previously reported for 2021. So such a report should be negative for Bitcoin because the Federal Reserve might need to move more aggressively in hiking interest rates to keep the labor market from overheating. In general, Bitcoin's price has responded negatively to tighter monetary policy in the past, but this time it didn't, because I think people, again, are anticipating some kind of rally or potentially some kind of short squeeze as mentioned on the article. So again, guys, this might be a really big opportunity to start accumulating and figuring out what positions you want to make sure you're established into before we start seeing the run up. So again, today it could be also a bull trap. That's also a possibility. There's many different possibilities here, but in my opinion, with the fear and greed index, we went from extreme fear starting to slowly show less and less fear in the market as people are becoming more confident with crypto and hopefully diversifying their assets into the space. Things are looking good. I would love to see a $3,000 Ethereum today. And in addition, if we see a 42K Bitcoin, would be pretty nuts by the end of day. If not, maybe by Monday, hopefully starting to give us some new investors coming into the space and also old investors returning into their positions or reestablishing those that they've maybe liquidated in the past. For tax purposes, we always see that Q4 2021. Right? Or Q4 of any year, we see liquidation occur for people who want to take care of tax loss harvesting or even just cash out for tax purposes. Either way is a possibility. But again, guys, I appreciate your love and support. Make sure you smash that like button, consider subscribing to the channel. But until next time, everybody, keep investing. Peace.